Hello students. So we know how to evaluate double integrals. Let us see a few applications. One of the major application of double integral is to find area. Now we have seen formulas to find the area in form of double integral. Suppose you are given a region bounded by two curves f1x and f2x, and the ordinates a and b, x equal to a, x equal to b. Then area is given as integral a to b integral f1x to f2x dy dx. If you are given curves as f1y and f2y bounded between line c and d, then the area is given as integral c to d integral f1y to f2y dx dy. If you are given a region bounded by a curve and ordinates and x-axis, okay, then what is here? Here we have area lies, so the curve goes from a to b, so its area can be calculated from a to b f of x dx, or a to b I can write it as y dx. Okay, if the area, or if you are asked to find the area bounded by a line curve x equal to f of y and bounded by c y equal to c, y equal to d and the y axis, then we define area as integral c to d in f of y dy, or you can write it as integral c to dx dx. Okay, so now suppose you are given parametric equations. Now double integration is not that much suitable for parametric equation, so better consider the boundary of the area. Means parametric equation देखो, if x-axis is the boundary of the area, then find the then evaluate area by for the formula integral y dx. If you obtain y as a boundary of the area, then evaluate the area by integral x dy. Okay, now remember, while you are finding the area of a plane region, always consider the symmetry. That will be helpful. And always consider the value of area as positive. Okay, even if you obtain negative value, consider the numerical value. Let us see a few examples. Find by double integration the area bounded by the curve y square x equal to 4a square 2a minus x and its asymptote. Okay, so now when you have asked to find the area, अभी ये curve क्या है, Cartesian type curve है. Now you have to first draw the curve, trace the curve, and then check what is the actual region and for which we have to find a value. Okay, so यहाँ पे कर्व क्या दिया है, सबसे इट इज of the y square equal to 4a square 2a minus x upon x. Now since y has even powers, it is going to be symmetrical about x axis. If I substitute x equal to 0, now y is not equal to 0, that means it does not pass through origin. And if you substitute x as 0, then what do we obtain? What we can say, a for x equal to 0, y axis acts as an asymptote theory. So if you substitute y equal to 0, we obtain x as 2a. That means 2a comma 0 is a point of intersection for the curve. And where does the curve does not lie? Check for some values for x less than 0, and for x greater than 0 we observe curve does not exist. Okay, so this will be the curve which will be traced out. Okay, so for this curve, and now you have to find the area between the curve and the asymptote. So here a y-axis, that is x equal to 0, acts as an asymptote, and this is the required curve here. Okay, so between this case we have to find the area. So what we will be doing now, if you observe it is symmetrical about x-axis, so we will consider a strip in one part. Okay, half part के लिए find out करेंगे, और बाकी half part if you multiply it by 2, that will give you for the whole region. So area, how will you define? Area will be 2 times double integral dy dx. Now when we consider a vertical strip, where for the strip lies, the strip end points lies at y equal to 0, and this is y equal to 0, and this is y equal to 2a root 2a minus x, अपॉन x from this equation. y की वैल्यू क्या मिल गई 2a root 2a minus x upon x means y goes from 0 to this term and how will the strip move? Strip will move from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2a means ये क्या हो जाएगा द लिमिट्स हो जाएंगे x के 0 to 2a y के 0 to 2a root 2a minus x. So evaluate एरिया फॉर्मूला हमने लिख दिया है. वी नो व्हाट आर द लिमिट्स. सो फॉर दिस लिमिट्स क्या हो जाएगा फर्स्ट लिमिट्स आर ऑफ y सो विल फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y एंड देन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y व्हेन यू इंटीग्रेट इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी 2a root 2a minus x upon x. दैट इज आई कैन राइट इट एज 2a constant take it outside 4a x raised to minus half 2a minus x raised to half. So if you observe we have seen such terms in beta function. Okay, so where there what we do we used to do substitution. Okay, so here also we'll do some substitution. So what we'll substitute x as 2a. So when you substitute x as 2at dx हो जाएगा 2a dt and the limits will as x goes from 0 to 2a t के limits हो गए 0 to 1 means this becomes 4a integral 0 to 1 2a to the 2at to the power minus half 2a minus 2at to the power half dt. Taking 2a terms common, also be 2a terms है when you take it outside the term outside becomes 8a square and here it remains t raised to minus half 1 minus t raised to half dt. But our beta function formula is x raised to m minus 1 minus x raised to n minus 1. So we will express minus half and half in this and that form. So minus half can be written as half minus 1 and half can be written as 3 by 2 minus 1 means ये क्या हो जाएगा this will ultimately become a beta formula beta 1 upon 2 comma 3 by 2 and using the beta gamma relation we will obtain its particular value that is the area of the curve as 4 pi a square. Okay, now this we have seen is a Cartesian equation. What will be the condition when we are seeing for polar? That also we should know. So in polar our coordinates dx dy will be replaced as r dr d theta means polar coordinates के लिए एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा इंटीग्रल theta goes from alpha to beta r goes from f1 theta to f2 theta r dr d theta. Okay, and if you observe the area is bounded by a curve f theta and the lines theta equal to alpha theta equal to beta only. Okay, then we can write area is nothing but half times integral alpha to beta r square d theta. Okay, so and remember one more note for the equation of a curve which has an implicit form. If the loop does not lie on x axis or y axis it is inclined to them. That is in the inclined loop we change the equation to polar coordinates. Okay, so if you are not able to evaluate easily with Cartesian we will convert to polar coordinates. So let us see an example. Find the total area of the curve r equal to a times 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta. Now again we need to check how this curve is so that for that we will trace out the curve. So if you observe r equal to a times 1 plus cos theta it is symmetrical about initial line. Okay, if we observe for theta equal to pi r becomes 0 that means the curve passes through the pole and for r equal to 0 theta is equal to pi itself. Therefore theta equal to pi itself is a tangent and to the pole at null. Okay, so next when you substitute theta equal to 0 we observe r is equal to 2a means the curve will cut the initial line at 2a comma 0. So what do we prefer? We prefer a table of values and see how r varies for theta. So we prepare a table for theta 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi and how will r vary 2a a 0 a 2a. This will be the values of r between 0 to 2 pi. According so we observe here maximum value for r is 2 and minimum value is 0. So accordingly we trace out the curve. We get this curve. On the positive side of y-axis is between 0. So here 2a at the initial line here it cuts at 2a at say 0. Okay, so again we consider a radial vector in this region. Now again there is no need to move this radial vector throughout the region. What we'll do we'll move in the upper half part only. Okay, in the upper half part means from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi and squaring or double the value gives us the value for whole area. So लिमिट्स क्या हो गए यहाँ पे r के लिमिट्स हो गए 0 to a times 1 plus cos theta and theta के लिमिट्स हो गए 0 to pi. Okay, so the area will become in 2 times integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a times 1 plus cos theta r dr d theta. 2 times, that means this become r, for this is limits of r and these are limits of theta. So for first we'll evaluate limits of theta, we'll evaluate for r. So integrating with respect to r, ये हो जाएगा r square by 2 within 0 to a times 1 plus cos theta. So substituting we get the value as a square 1 plus cos theta whole square. Yes, evaluate this equation and then within the limit 0 to pi, if you observe this is theta, then we have the term cos theta d theta and then we have term cos square theta d theta. So better will be cos square in the interval 0 to pi. I can write it as 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and hence evaluating by reduction formulae we get the area of the curve, that is the car diode, E as 3a square pi upon 2. Next we see find the area between the curves y square equal to 4x and now this is a plane and you can say 2x minus, or you can say a line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now for to this curve, one is a parabola, one is a line. So find a point of intersection. Point of intersections क्या होगी यहाँ पे 1, 2 and 4, 4 will be the point of intersections. Okay, so such type will be the curve we obtain here. So what do we could do? We consider a vertical strip. जैसे हम लोग डबल इंटीग्रेशन में सॉल्व करते हैं वैसे इसकी एरिया फाइंड आउट करनी है ना. सो वी कंसिडर वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप एंड मूव दिस वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप इन विद इन दिस रीजन. सो वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप के लिमिट्स क्या हो गए 2x, y के लिमिट्स हो गए 2x plus 4/3 and 2 root x. And how will this strip move? This strip will move from this point. What is this point? 1 and up to this point, that is 4. So finding the area formula is double integral dx dy. So in double integral के लिमिट्स है 1 to x goes from 1 to 4, y goes from 2x plus 4/3 to 2 root x. First we'll evaluate with respect to y and then with respect to x. So with respect to y हमें वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी 2 root x minus 2x plus 4/3. Okay, so then say this is value of x. Evaluating with respect to x, we get the value, that is the area for the given region, one as 1/3. We see one more example. It says find the area between the curve and its asymptote. Okay, again now we are asked to find the area between the curve and its asymptote. So we need to trace out this curve first. What is the curve equation given as x in bracket x square plus y square equal to a times x square minus y square. I write this equation as evaluating. I write it is phi equal to f of x form. Okay, so it becomes y square equal to x square into a minus x upon a plus x. Since y has even powers, it is symmetrical about x-axis. If we substitute x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means it is passing through origin. So since it is passing through origin, we need to find a tangent. So for tangent, what do? We equate the lowest degree terms to 0. So lowest degree term कौन से है यहाँ पे x square minus y square means we obtain y equal to plus or minus x are the tangents. Means जो भी point है वो क्या है एक node है. Okay, for y equal to 0 we obtain two values of x, that is 0 and a, means a comma 0 is a point of intersection here. Okay, and equating the coefficient of highest power of y, now we get the equation that is a plus x, means we obtain x is equal to minus a as the asymptote of this curve. Okay, so means what with this curve will not go beyond x less than minus a and this x greater than a. So such will be the curve. There will be a loop between 0 to a. The curve on the negative side of x-axis, the curve will go up to this asymptote. Okay, so what do we have to find? We have to find the area between the curve and its asymptote. So ये curve है एंड ये असिम्प्टोट है, तो ये शेडेड रीजन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द लूप, तो हमने क्या किया होता, ये पार्ट एक्सक्लूड किया होता एंड वी वुड हैव फाइंड द एरिया बिटवीन 0 to a. So question may be of such type also where you are asked to find the area of the loop of the curve. So हमें find out क्या करना है, ये area करना है. Okay. So now in this region, and again what we will consider, if you consider observe this is a symmetrical part, we will consider in the half part. Half part में एक strip consider करते हैं, vertical strip. We will move this strip and find the value. So vertical strip के limits क्या हो गए, y equal to 0 to y equal to x time root a minus x upon a plus x. And how will this strip move from? Strip will move from minus a to 0. Okay, so area formula is, now since we are considering the half part, पूरे एरिया के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, 2 times डबल इंटीग्रल dx dy. सो ये हो जाएगा 2 times इंटीग्रल माइनस a to 0 इंटीग्रल 0 to x times root a minus x upon a plus x dy dx. First we will integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. So with respect to y value क्या मिलेगी, x time root a minus x upon x itself. Okay. Now here we do such type of substitution so that it is easier to evaluate. We prefer substituting polar coordinates. We prefer substituting or converting into polar form. Okay. So what I do, I purposely make a substitution x as minus a sin theta. Okay, observe what will happen if I substitute x as minus a sin theta, मतलब a कॉमन भी निकल सकता है यहाँ पे. सो एंड dx क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस a cos theta d theta. एंड लिमिट्स एज x goes from minus a to 0, मुझे लिमिट्स मिलेंगे थीटा के π/2 to 0. ओके, सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, वैल्यू 2 times इंटीग्रल π/2 to 0 माइनस x इज माइनस a sin theta इन रूट a प्लस साइन 8 sin थीटा हो जाएगा अपॉन a माइनस a sin थीटा इंटू डी एक्स की वैल्यू माइनस a cos थीटा. ओके, सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये माइनस कॉमन निकलेगा, एक माइनस के क्या हो जाएगा, कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो दैट 0 to π/2 लिमिट्स इंटरचेंज हो गए, फिर एक माइनस रहेगा, सो वी टेक इट आउटसाइड. सो वैसे ही रहेगा, तो 0 to π/2 a स्क्वायर साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. नाउ इफ यू टेक a कॉमन, यहाँ से क्या मिलने वाला है, ए रेस या ए कॉमन निकलेगा तो ए कैंसिल होगा, रहेगा क्या 1 प्लस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन थीटा टू द पावर हाफ. सो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, इफ यू टेक द कॉन्जुगेट पार्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय द कॉन्जुगेट पार्ट ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर, क्या होगा, दिस टर्म विल बिकम 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 स्क्वायर माइनस साइन स्क्वायर. 1 स्क्वायर माइनस साइन स्क्वायर मतलब लिख सकते हो कॉस स्क्वायर, एंड 1 प्लस कॉस साइंस टू द हाफ पावर स्क्वायर है, मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा, टू द पावर हाफ कैंसिल आउट होगा. मतलब ये टर्म क्या मिलेगी, इंटीग्रल 0 to π/2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा. सिंस ये साइन कॉस थीटा टर्म कैंसिल्स, remaining will be only sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, that is sin theta plus sin square theta. Sin theta plus sin square theta, limits within the limits are 0 to π/2. By reduction formulae we obtain the value as minus a square upon 2 into pi plus 4. Okay, now here we observe it as minus, but we know we have to consider the area as positive, so we consider the numerical value. Means numerically the area between the curve and asymptote is a square upon 2 pi plus